Hello guys, so in today's video we are going to be talking about Telegram App Center. So they just introduced a new system where we can earn by just completing a single task daily. You can earn ton, NFTs and other exclusive prizes. So we're going to be capitalizing on this opportunity. So Telegram App Center is just like a store where we have many Telegram apps. So you're just going to click on the banner. You can see complete day 1 of your streak. That's the banner. So just click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to open up the where you can complete tasks and do everything. So the first thing is you have to connect your wallet first. Connect your wallet first. That's the main thing. So you want to connect your wallet. You can use 𝗠𝗪𝗏𝗏, Telegram wallet, any wallet of your choice. So I will just be connecting my Telegram wallet. So once your Telegram wallet is connected, you can now start performing the daily tasks. So I will show you guys everything about it. So you can see mine is connected right now. So if you scroll down, you're going to see it say climb the league and increase your chance to win 2,000 ton. So they're actually giving out 2,000 ton in reward. So all you have to do is to climb this aim higher in the league. We have 4 leagues here: the bronze, silver, golden and platinum league. So the bronze league is just 1 day streak, while the silver league is 7 day streak. The golden league is 14 day streak. Platinum is 30 day streak. Simply means complete your daily tasks every day to climb up. You complete your daily tasks for 7 days, you get silver. 14 days, you get golden, and so on. So to complete your daily tasks, you're going to see where it says your app for today. So this is the only thing you are doing every day. Your app for today. You're going to earn points for that, for performing that. You can see. So we'll just open it. They're going to show you different app every day you're going to open. So just click on open the particular app that day, and you are done for that day. So you can see, just click on start, and that's all. You can just either open or you go back. So you can see daily task completed, and my point has increased now to 60. So that's, you can see 1 day streak. This is a new account, so you can see 1 day streak. So once I come tomorrow, I'm going to see 2 day streak. Come next tomorrow, 3 day streak, and so on. So you need to aim higher so that you can get higher reward. So that's basically everything about this thing, about the Telegram App Center. So guys, the reward is massive, so you just have to aim higher, up to 2,000 ton. You have to aim higher. Make sure you don't miss any day. You can also refer your friends. Just copy your link and share with your friends so you can earn more. So basically, if you are getting value from this video, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any of our further videos. So that's basically it for today. So just make sure you start now. Just start now. Click the link below. I will leave the link under this video. It's going to be the first link, I guess. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video.